If you're wondering whether homeowners in Dickson, Tennessee are responsible for paying for tree cutting, it mostly comes down to where the tree sits and why the work is needed. In most cases, homeowners pay for cutting trees on their own property. If the tree is diseased, overgrown, or posing a risk to your home, the cost typically falls on you. However, if a tree sits on a shared boundary or involves public property, responsibilities may differ. Local rules and insurance policies can also influence who covers the expense in storm-related cases. A local team, like Gomez Tree Service, can help clarify your options. Overall, property location and cause of the issue determine who pays for tree cutting.